Pero ang question, does the Senate have the power to archive an article of impeachment?
Oh, given that question, sir, in your recollection, has there been ever a time that the Senate in our history or maybe in other countries na merong na-archive na impeachment?
Well, ang thinking kasi, the Senate has two functions. It's legislative function, and it's function holding high officials accountable. So that's the impeachment court. So the question here has been always raised, sino bang may karapatan na pag-usapan ang usapin ng articles of impeachment? And dito, tingin ko, logical naman dahil hiniwalay nga yung Article 11, no, functions ng Senado sa legislative function niya. So, klaro, dapat ang impeachment court. Now, the question here would be, then if that is the case, then it should have been the impeachment court that should have archived the case, not the Senate exercising its legislative function.
So, lumalabas kasi, although there are 24 members of the Senate, they have two different roles. One
Yes.
is acting as a Senate,
Yes.
one is acting as the impeachment court.
Yes.
When the archiving happened, are you saying, Kong Eri, na they were sitting as a Senate?
They
not
were
as-
they were sitting as a Senate, functioning as a legislative body.